Have you ever thought about growing your own carrots from store-bought greens? It's an incredible way to embrace sustainability and save some money. Plus, it's all about giving new life to what might otherwise be discarded. Growing your own carrots is easier than you think, and we're here to guide you through it. To start this journey, gather some carrot tops, a shallow dish, and some water. Choose vibrant, healthy-looking tops. The shallow dish facilitates root growth, and remember, fresh water daily is key. With these simple materials, you are one step closer to your very own carrot garden. Now place the carrot tops in the dish with the cut side down. Ensure they're spaced out to allow room for growth. Add just enough water to cover the bottom of the dish, not submerging the tops. Sunlight is crucial here. Find a sunny windowsill or a bright spot for your dish. It's all about balance. Too much water and your carrot tops may rot. Too little sunlight and they may not sprout. Remember, patience is key. In about a week, you'll start to see some sprouts. Once you see sprouts, it's time to move your carrots to soil. Choose a well-drained soil, preferably mixed with organic compost for added nutrients. Plant the sprouted tops 1 to 2 inches deep, spaced about 2 inches apart. Water them gently, keeping the soil moist but not waterlogged. Regularly observe for new green shoots, a sure sign of growth. With regular care and attention, your carrots will be ready to harvest in a few months. So, are you ready to start your carrot growing journey? In a nutshell, we've walked through gathering materials, starting the growth process, and moving to soil and care. It's a straightforward method that unlocks the benefits of growing your own carrots from store-bought greens, like saving money and enjoying fresh organic produce. Why not give it a whirl at home? Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy growing!